Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find templates on the Lumii-Photo Editor application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Select a picture from your device and go to the template button next to the crop option at the bottom of the screen. And here you can find different templates, for example, classic, fresh, business, publication, film, masterpiece, color film, journal, and for example urban. And if you want to select one, just click that and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.